Welcome. Today we're going to look at the JBL Charge 6. Yeah, I finally managed to get my hands on one of this. It's using now Bluetooth version 5.4, 28 hours of battery. I don't know what is the case for my JBL Charge 5, but I do have the speaker right here, so we could compare it. I like to store my speakers in boxes like this, which you can buy separate. This is actually intact, it hasn't been used much, and yeah, still a really nice speaker, really good sound. The only thing I don't like about this model is the fit, because they get very bad in time. This is a good example of a good one. So yeah, let's just take this out and have a look. Play and charge endlessly. JBL Harman JBL Charge 5. This is where you have the strap. It says USB cable not included. Wow, that's disappointing a bit. So they started not including USB cables because they assume you just have the old one. That's not really nice. But let's see what it is in here. I think you shouldn't really produce this type of things, because no one really reads them, and it's part of the trees. And instead put like a USB cable, because people might not have their old charging cable. But this is something I do like. With this version, finally we have something to grab on, where like on the old one you would just relay, like you would just grab it whichever by hand and you could drop it. So let me just put this away, and let's just take this out. And I like this unboxing design because it's very easy to grab the speaker. And let's just take it out of this and compare it with the other one. To be honest with you, it's not a big difference, but it is a big difference in sound, which I've noticed. The sound it has a more refined sound. From what I've noticed, the bass is lower. I like the highs, I like how it sounds. Yeah, it's definitely an improvement. So let's just start from here. So that's how it is. It's actually pretty similar. It just has a different style. From this side, if you don't know your speakers, you wouldn't even know it's a different one, but obviously they've changed this, that's why I really like it. Unfortunately on this one I don't see a way of changing the battery very easy. But I guess yes, if you remove this, probably there is a way. And then on the back they decided to go for this with the charging port exposed. Actually before it was exposed as well, but this one had a USB-A out, which I didn't even know. But yeah, on the top is where changes have been made. So you now have Auracast to share the speakers and create like a nice environment for music, where this one is on the old style. Can't remember what this is called. Otherwise same sound notification, better buttons distribution, still same buttons on play, pause, and change the track. But now you can have this little baby, and I don't know which way you put it. I would assume that it goes like this, because I want to see the JBL logo. but like that or like this. Let's see. I think it's like that, because yeah, I don't want to have the JBL logo on the back. I need to see it every time to remind me what I'm using. That's not the easiest to put, but eventually you manage to add it in. I don't know how long will that last though. But you get the idea. And then this in here. So this video is also to show you what you're gonna go through when you're gonna first remove it. See, you know, how long it takes to do these things. I don't want to just go through the end without doing this. So yeah, there you have it. It's quite useful to have something to drag on, and you can put this in a different ways. You can have them I don't know if it's in the photo, but you could have it like this as well, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah guys, I really like that they kept the same kind of look, but they've improved the sound on it, which is cool. And it goes with the same app. Yes, with you, I actually prefer it when I'm at home without this. Funny enough. You add something, but people still go for what they know. I kind of want to play some music for you a little bit, give you a sound test. So let me see if I can do that. Okay guys, so we'll start with the same volumes, and I'm gonna just wear the microphone on me. I'm now about a meter away. So let's just start with the JBL Charge 6. I'm gonna increase the volume a bit.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities.
Let's just go to half the volume. And I think that's how I like to. We'll push a bit more, but
I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
oh, it sounds really nice. So the thing is, this one is using the JBL signature, and this one I've adjusted it to sound the best as I think you would. So if you think that's not equal, it's up to you, but I prefer to give them the best chance. So let me quickly change, and we'll start again from with the other one, with the JBL 5. So this one, let me just let's just say we'll put this pen in front of which one is playing. So low volume again, same distance, and then I'll increase to the half.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
This section, let's see if it's a different speed. So now it goes back to this.
Take my eyes open, the force Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let take my eyes open?
Yeah, very interesting. This one definitely drops the bass lower. So let me just put him like this as well, so you guys can see this moving. See if the light is alright. So you can see it. And yeah, let's just try. I'm gonna still go with this.
What's reality? Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? Down to my room, my world's so bright. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes off the first reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world.
I don't know, guys, what do you think? It's still not a bad choice to go for this one if the price is right, but this one has some price reductions now as well, and it definitely hits a bit harder on bass. And this is just like with the signature sound. This one I've tried to make it sound really nice, but yeah, but to be honest with you, they're not very different. I tend to think that I like a bit more the sound on the new one, but I still can't say I don't like the sound on the old one. So it's very, very hard choice, but again, if the price is right, go for the one that you can afford. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. That's all I had to say. So yeah, JBL Charge 6.